Get ready to experience something just beautiful. I find it to be beautiful. These are the Texas brown birds and blackbirds. You see there's so many all along the rooftops. Absolutely beautiful. These trees are actually made of birds. So I come to get my coffee every day and I just watch the millions of these birds out here. If you look, you can see that the tree is made of birds. Those branches that look like blossoms are actually birds. Just amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. The Texas brown birds and the Texas blackbirds. Incredible. I come to get my coffee and I just watch them. The trees are made of them. The trees are birds. Some people don't like it. I happen to love it. It's absolutely beautiful. Texas brown birds and blackbirds. I'm going to cross the street all lined up. Maybe I'll take into the sky. It's amazing, amazing. Beautiful. I hope you're enjoying it. I'm getting ready to sit down and have my tea. Enjoy the sight of these magnificent birds, God's creation. Most people take for granted, but they worry about poop on their car. I could care less about poop on my car, more about these animal lives and preserving what God created. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it.